Welcome again to our blog, our video blog, our monthly blog. We've been away for a couple of months, but now we're back, and it's a very interesting time, of course. We're coming up to Christmas, and immediately we have Advent. I must say that Advent is my favorite time of year. I love that sense of mystery and expectation, and that sense of darkness and candles and waiting for the light. It really just does appeal to me, and I love the hymns and so on. We have, of course, lots of things to talk about in relation to Advent and Christmas, not least the Advent service, which is coming up very soon, and also our Advent readings. Anyway, enough from me. Over to you, Kimerie. Lots to talk about.
Indeed, indeed. Yes. Well, the Advent service, as you say, it's very special. I love it too. We're hosting it here in our prayer meeting room at Taplow, online, of course, but full of readings and hymns and carols and songs to really help us connect with that idea of the Christ energy being reborn in us through reflection, through stillness, through quiet times. In the darkness, new light is born. And so, yes, I agree with you, Steve. It's a very special time of year. So we begin it with our Advent service. We continue it, as Steve said, with our daily meditations in the morning, which include our Advent readings each day with Daily Word. And then every Sunday through Advent, we will be leading a meditation 8:30 to 9 in the evening to help us deepen the qualities of that weekly theme that we in Unity hold through Advent: faith and hope, peace, love and joy. Really focusing in on these themes for ourselves and our world. So those weekly evening meditations on a Sunday evening will start this Sunday. And then, of course, it culminates with our candle lighting service, which is very joyful, lots of beautiful carols to really sing and connect with, and affirmations and readings. And we go full out for our candle lighting service. And that's going to be here in our meeting room, open to people to join us. We've had transformation in our meeting room. It's all been moved around. We've got much more greenery. Staff here have done a fabulous job to get it ready for Christmas. So if you can join us, we would love to have you here at Taplow for our candle lighting service. That is the 21st of December, starting at 3 o'clock and probably running to about 4:30, because there's so much to do and cram in, and then mince pies and things afterwards, a bit of social meeting and greeting with each other. So we love this time of year. It is special. Let's make it meaningful for ourselves and our world.
One thing, are we encouraging people to send in little prayers for the tree?
Yes, at our Advent service, yes, that is definitely a very important part of the program, really. So yes, within the service we have quiet time. People actually, they do it all on Zoom. They, through the chat, they send all the names. So yes, if you are available to join us for our Advent service, do send us names to hold in prayer with you over the Christmas season. And at any time, of course, you can send prayers through our website to Silent Unity, and we're honoured to hold that energy of prayer.
Lovely. Well, Nadolig Llawen, as we say in Wales, Happy Christmas, and a very early Happy Christmas. Nadolig Llawen.
Thank you, Steve. I won't embarrass myself by trying to say it. But yes, absolutely. Merry Christmas.
All right. All the very best to everyone, and Happy Christmas.
Thank you, Steve.